Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Question 6, worth 1 point. An engineer is tasked with designing a bridge that can withstand high winds. Which question should they focus on first? Option 1. What materials are available for construction? Option 2. What is the best design for minimizing wind resistance? Option 3. How do wind speeds affect bridge stability? Option 4. What is the maximum weight the bridge can hold? Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.